We're at Republic with the grill guys. We're waiting on Hannah Sparks, my client that won the grill. So that means I believe I have one and I think Cole's won. So next year I got to get 2 because I want to have the best clients that win these grills. Either way, this place is excellent. The grill's fantastic. Come check it out.
Do you even know what you're doing?
No, no.
Welcome, welcome. So with so many pellet grills, you're actually supposed to take all this stuff out and get like a vacuum. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these prep tents, but these things are super freaking
No, but it's amazing.
Sounds like you need to buy a grill.